Good morning, everyone. This is Simpy. All of you are welcome to EVS class. In the previous class, we discussed about the communication, mass communication. Today, we will do the hard words and exercise of this chapter. All of you are ready? Be ready. Let's get started. All of you write down CW, date of today, chapter 16, title of the chapter. Write down hard words. Then write down first word, communication. It means expressing our feelings or sharing ideas and information with other. Next, gesture. Way of communicating feelings and ideas using expressions and bodily actions, sometimes without using words, with the help of body actions we express our feelings. This is known as gesture. Mass media, collectively the communications media, especially television, radio and newspapers that reach the mass of people. Transmit means sent, verbally, orally, victory, success. All of you write down these words and their meanings in your notebooks. Now, we will do the exercise of this chapter. All of you turn page number 122. Write true or false. You have to write true for right statement, write false for wrong statement. First, gestures do not vary from one reason to another. This is wrong statement. Gestures vary from one reason to another. So write down here false. All of you do this one in your books. Next one, newspapers help in developing reading and writing skills. Yes, write true. Radios can be very useful during emergency situations. Yes, right statement. Write down true. The internet is not the fastest means of communication. This is wrong statement. Internet is the fastest means of communication. So write down here false. Television is also a medium for entertainment. Yes, television is a medium for entertainment. Write down here true. All of you have done? All of you do in your books. Now, we will do the question answers of this chapter. All of you write down, answer these questions and write first question in your notebooks. First question is define gestures. Give one example of how gestures differ from one reason to the other. Gestures are a way of communicating feelings and ideas using expressions and bodily actions. Example, thumbs up. Thumbs up gesture is used to congratulate a person in most countries. In certain part of the Middle East, it is considered impolite. Next, state any one feature of newspapers. Newspapers help in improving our reading and writing skills. Here you have to write only one feature of newspapers. Next, state two features of a radio. Information can be easily communicated through the radio. It gives people a chance to express themselves verbally. Next, what role does the internet play in our daily lives? Internet contains a lot of information about various topics. It connects people from the different parts of the world. It has made services like banking, booking tickets, purchasing online, etc. Now you are studying, I am teaching you due to the internet. So all of you know that internet is so important. What is the role of the internet in our daily lives? Next, name the most popular medium of mass communication. State its features. The popular medium of mass communication are newspaper. It gives us information about the incidents happening around us and all over the world. Radio, it gives people a chance to express themselves verbally. Internet, it is the fastest means of communication. Television, it is an audio-visual platform. So we have discussed all the question answers of this chapter. Link of this one is given in the description box. You can check out from there and write down answer of these questions in your notebook. You have to do this activity. This activity is given in your book. Turn page number 123. Talk to your friend using a string telephone. You have to make a string telephone. This string telephone can be created by poking two holes. So you have to poke the two holes base of two paper cups. You have to take the help of two paper cups. Use a long string to attach both cups. Now one of you can talk using one cup while the other listens using the other cup. You have to do this one. We have completed this chapter. All the topics, hard words, exercise, question answer. Now you have to learn the hard words and question answers of this chapter. Now I am going to finish the session. Thank you. Have a good one.